wasn't a helicopter.
Zavři ty dveře. To je divné.
So this siren's been going off for the last couple of minutes. I've called 911 and they stated that they believe it's a malfunction of some sort. The time is now, it's approximately 3:35 in the morning. Approximately, I'm not really sure what time it is, but I think it's around 3:30. But what do you guys think? That's odd. Sounds like an attack of some sort. I've scanned the TV stations, no announcements, no alerts. Like I said, I called 911. They have officers checking right now to make sure or see, what's going on as far as a malfunction in the sirens. That's not a normal tornado siren. That's a different warning. Yeah, looks like I'm up.
It sounds like a tornado alarm. Like someone set it off at the plant or something. You figured how long has it been going on?
Yeah, but if there's tornadoes, there's one over here on top of one of these buildings. Right. When it goes off here, you can hear it.
Oh, there's one up here? Oh, see, I didn't know that.
There's one here. Then when one goes off here, you can hear it. That's weird. It's great out there. Might be the alarm that set off on loop. Yeah. That's kind of creepy.
Heard a loud firecracker sound outside.
And
Wait, that one's moving.
I know, I don't know what that is.
Probably a UFO, if you ask me.
Here's the moon way down there, that light, glowing light, and then this thing.
I can see it.
I don't hear an airplane.
It's probably a UFO, Mom.
I bet it is. Though it's flying all slow.
Should I talk to the aliens?
No. Should have a better camera.
Why should I?
'Cause, Bella, I heard that loud fiery cracker sound outside.
Looks like somebody's actually.
I'm gonna go find the better camera.